classic cars. How many of you out there know what a classic car is? Well, a classic car is an older automobile. The exact definition varies around the world. The common theme is an older car with enough historical interest to be a collectible and worth preserving or restoring rather than scrapping. Tino's first car was a classic car. He had a 1963 Volkswagen Bug. He bought it when he was 16 years old for $1,000. Tino says he absolutely loved that car. It was old and didn't have any air conditioning, but he really enjoyed driving it nonetheless. What he loved most about it was the attention it got. It was very cool, and he always got compliments on how nice he kept it. I saw a really beautiful classic car the other day while I was walking home from school. It was a 1968 Morris Minor 1000 Traveler. I had to Google it because I didn't know anything about it. I found out that the car is from the UK and is very popular all over the world. The one I saw was white and had really cute brown trimming. Everything on the car was so cute, from the big windows that went around the station wagon type car to the cute little chrome hubcaps. I hope to see it again. Next time, I'll wave to the driver and hopefully she'll wave back. Oh my goodness, she may even stop and let me see her car up close. Now that would be awesome.